Hello students, today's topic is related with the functions and today's topic is positional arguments and keyword argument. As in if I talk about your CBSE syllabus, then it is given on the positional parameters is given in your syllabus, but I will explain here positional arguments as well as keyword arguments. Okay, so going ahead with the topic, what will be the objectives of this topic? You will be able to understand the use of positional arguments or positional parameters. Even you will be able to know the meaning of keyword argument also, and you will become more familiar with the user defined functions and their calling statements. So for this I have created one function here. This is our topic. This is our code for positional argument and keyword argument. As I have created one function here with the name position fun, and in this function I have taken three arguments, A, B and C. These three arguments are in such a way that A and B doesn't have any default value, but C is having its default value 1. C, I have mentioned here, C is having default value. So what is the meaning of default argument or default value? That you have already seen in our previous topic. So if you are not known or not having the knowledge of default value or default arguments, then you cannot understand this topic. For understanding this topic, you should be able to understand our previous topic, that was default arguments or default parameters. That was also related with the functions, and I have cleared this topic in our previous lesson. So I am assuming that you are having the knowledge of default parameters. So further I explain this code. In this function I have taken one statement only, and I have printed values of A, B and C only here. A and B and C is value of A, B, C. Okay, so as you all know that after making a function we need to call that function. So if there is no function calling statement, it means that function will not be executed. So for execution of any function we need to call that function, means we need to write any function calling statement. So I have written function calling statements, multiple function calling statements in this coding. See, I have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 function calling statements I have written here. So what will happen in this code? The very first statement that will be executing is this one, position fun 1934. Okay, so let's explain this statement. What will this statement do? 19 will be copied. First of all, what will happen? Position fun will call the function position fun. So your control will come inside this function position fun, and when your control is coming inside this function, then value of A, B, C will be taken from the function calling statement. So you have passed 19 and 34. You have passed two values in your function calling statement. So 19 will be passed to the first argument and 34 will be passed to the second argument, and you have not given any third value. So C will be having its default value. So default value works when you have not given any value for that argument during function calling statement. Okay, it was seen in our previous lesson. the meaning of the use of default function you have already seen. So due to this statement, what will happen, 19 will be copied into A and 34 will be copied into B, and for C there is already a default value. So your control will come inside this function, and what will happen, a print statement will execute and message will be printed. A and B and C is, A is having 19 and B is having 34 and C is having 1. Okay, so after printing, after this print statement, your control will come to the statement 2, this one, and your statement 2 will execute. Now again 29 will be passed to A, 44 will be passed to B, and 56 will be passed to C. Now the value of C that was 1 earlier will not be used. In place of that, 56 will be copied. So your A, B, C is having value 29, 44 and 56. So your control will come inside this function and it will give the message A and B and C is 29, 44, 56. So in these two statements, you can notice that the first argument is passed to the the first value is passed to the first argument, means the position of the argument. First value is passed to the first argument and second value is passed to the second argument, whether it is A, B, C or D, means irrespective of their names, the values is passed according to the positions. So 19 passed in A, 34 passed to B, but for C you have not mentioned any value, so C is having value only 1. In the next statement, 29 was passed to the first argument, that is A, 44 passed to the second argument B, and your third value 56 passed to the third argument, that was C. So in these two statements, you can say your arguments worked like positional argument. Your arguments were working like positional argument. Okay, so coming back to the next statement, now your statement third will be executing, and in this statement you have shuffled the values with the name of the arguments, because you mentioned here C equals to 5, means you have given 5 value to the C, and B to 2 and A to 2. You have not written here 5 to 2. You have mentioned the name of argument in the function calling statement. That's why it is called as keyword argument, means you have used the name of the argument here in the function calling statement. So your control will be coming here, and when it is coming here, A will be having the value 2, B will be having the value 2 and C will be having the value 5 in place of 1. Okay, so your message will come A and B, and C is, for A it was 2, for B it was 2 and for C it is 5. We can check the output also by saying F5. See this, we are getting this output, and as I have already told you, in our statement 1 and statement 2 we were getting 19, 34 and 1. Same here, for statement 2 we were getting 29, 44, 56, and same is here. And we are getting for statement 3 2 for A, 2 for B and 5 for C, 2 to 5. Okay, so now coming back to the next statement, your statement 4 will be executing is this one. So in this statement you have mentioned B and A, but you have not mentioned any value for C. Even you have reshuffled the sequence, means you have used A after B. So B is having the value 2 inside this function, and A will having the value 3 inside this function, and for C it will get its default value, that is 1. And when you are coming into this function, your function will give the answer A and B and C is A was 3, B was 2 and C is 1. So answer should be 3 to 1. Can we check? Yes. For statement 4 the answer is 3 to 1. So coming back to the statement 5, now your statement 5 will execute this one. Before explanation of statement 5, I will clear that here your keyword arguments is used here because you are using the name of the arguments during function calling statements. That's why it is called keyword argument. And even the default value is used here for C. That's why it is using default argument also. Okay. So coming back to the statement 5. For statement 5, it will be giving the first value to the A, because the first argument you have used here without name. So it will work as positional argument. First value will be given to the first argument, and in second you have given the name of the variable, and that is C, means C will be having 2 in place of 1. And you have mentioned third in the position of third as a B, so B will be having 1. So in this case A will be 5, B will be 1, and C will be 2. So answer will be printing 5, 1 and 2 in the statement 5. Values of ABC is 5, 1 and 2, C. Okay, so here which arguments are used? In this statement we have used keyword argument due to the names mentioned in the function calling statement, and 5 is given into A, means positional, first position value is passed to the first positional argument. That's why it is called positional argument also. So in the next statement, statement 6, it is what it does. First value is passed into first positional argument, means A will be 8, and you have given B equals to 0, means B's value will be 0. Here you have used the name of the argument, that's why it is keyword, and 8 is passed to A, first value to first, that's why it is positional. And for C we are using here default value because you have not given third value for the C. So in this statement, positional and keyword and default, all three are used here. Okay, so answer will be for this statement is A, for A 8, for B 0, and for C 1, means it will print 8 0 1. We can check the output also. See, 8 0 1. Okay, so in this example I have explained about the 3 types of arguments that can be used in any function. One was default, that we have seen in our previous lesson, and in today's example I have explained the use of positional argument.